Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got my little doggy now, and so I needed to place, poop bags. So look at this, we got this little poop bag holder here. So this is VIWIK, you see, and it's like a little zipper pouch. I'm just gonna show you it. And it's got the little doggy bags inside of it, and you could put some other stuff in there if you really want to as well. And it's got these little Velcro things here, so you can Velcro it onto the leash, or you can clip it onto stuff with the little clip, and you can carabiner it on that way as well. So let's open this up and I'll show you guys how it works if you haven't seen doggy bags before. But let's open it up here, sorry. Boy, they got it taped closed pretty well. Okay, so here we go. So we'll take the little end and stick it through the side. So that's kind of it, and then we'll close it up and zip it up inside. So here we go. And okay, so now we're going here, and it has the bag that pulls out. Sorry, I'm doing a voiceover, but it does have perforations in between the bags. Like I just hadn't know because I hadn't even looked at it yet. But you can see there it is, super easy to rip. And I will open it up here so you guys can see what it looks like inside. But it's a super thin bag, so it's good. Probably somewhat environmentally friendly, I guess, as far as thin bags go. But you can put your hand in it and pick up a big old poop and fit anything in it. But then you're left with this little baggie, which is really nice. And it's got the grommet in there. So it's a nice little rubber grommet so the bags won't fall out by themselves or anything. You can hook it up to anything. So I totally like it. Thumbs up from me.